Look at the chameleon. See the chameleon? There's the chameleon. In the rainforest. What's in the rainforest? Look at that. We have a lot of surprises. The butterflies and the lizard and the beetle. Oh, look, can you see more butterflies, Maddie? And birds? Yes, can you see? What do you like? The butterflies? Yes. Okay. Turn the page. The South American hummingbird. He drinks nectar from the sticky flower. Yeah, can you see what's in here? Oh, sticky, sticky. The anteater. Look at the anteater eating the ants. See, sticky, sticky, sticky. Catching the ant. See the anteater. That's the anteater. Look at all the ants in the flower. All the ants. See the hummingbird? The hummingbird. Turn the page. A monkey hides up in the tree. A monkey. Look at the monkey in the velvety furs. Oh, see that? Look at the velvety fur. A monkey hides up. Who is hiding? Who is he hiding from? Who's that? Ooh, a jaguar. A jaguar with a sleek black fur. Oh, look at the jaguar. Whoa. Monkey. Monkey. Beautiful paradise birds. They dance and prance and puff their chests, hoping a mate will come to share the lovely guests. And who is squawking from the tree? Lift the flap and you will see what a beautiful, beautiful bird. Look at the feathers, the fluffy feathers. Look at the bird and the butterfly. Butterfly.